Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Leisha. And she writes, "Hello MissPlanIt." Hello Leisha. I am the owner of an events business and I've been booked for a sports themed party featuring the centerpiece below. It's coming up soon and I would love for you to help me out. Well, Leisha, we're going to not only help you out, we're going to also give you all the links to all the supplies as well as show you how you can do this very same centerpiece with some really awesome Dollar Tree finds. I cannot wait to show you how simple it is. I will warn you ahead of time that you're going to have glitter everywhere. Just be prepared. So with that being said, let's get ready for this week's episode of Sports Themed Centerpiece with Dollar Tree Finds. Okay guys, let's go. So this project has multiple steps and some quick tips that will help you with it is grab some paper plates and some bamboo skewers. They will help with the process. So the first thing we're going to get ready is our soccer ball. Now notice it's a foam soccer ball, so I inserted the sharp end of the skewer right into the bottom of the soccer ball, and I'm going to cover up the blue print with white paint so that I can later apply my black and my crystal glitter. I'm going to put 2 coats on it that pretty much will cover up the blue, and make sure you cover the entire ball with the white paint. Once your soccer ball is completely dry, you're then going to add your black and crystal glitter using your Mod Podge. So you're going to paint each section with the Mod Podge and apply the glitter. You can do the black and the crystal glitter at the same time. They won't cross over, but I typically go through and do all of my black spots first and then go back over with the crystal. Give it about 30 to 45 minutes to set up, and then it's actually ready to apply to your centerpiece. This is one of those things that you're going to do beforehand. Get yourself an assembly line going and get it done. So I wanted to show you what you can do if you're not using foam balls. This is simply a skewer, and I have this little cube that has a hole in it that I'm going to create a handle for my balls that are just the ones that are filled with air. So I went ahead and created a little handle. I'm going to attach it with hot glue gun into the ball. Notice, I want to note that I'm using low heat hot glue, not high heat, because the high heat could have very well melt or puncture the ball. Then you're following the same steps we did with the soccer ball, adding the Mod Podge, and in this case we're doing the copper glitter. Once the glitter dries, I'm going to go back over it with black acrylic paint to create the lines that you see in a basketball. Just take your time. I freehand it. You can do it too. We're going to repeat those same steps with our 4-inch foam football using ESPRESSO glitter. Now it's time for us to put our structure together. We're going to first spray paint 4 3/8 by 18-inch square dowels. Next, we're going to use this 4 by 4-inch wood plaque and we're going to cut 2 4 by 4-inch foam pieces out of our foam board with our foam cutter. We're going to pre-place our dowels in the very corner of each one of our 4x4 pieces of foam. Once we have that done, we're going to attach the foam to our wood plaque and then reset our wood dowels one by one using our leveler to make sure that everything is nice and straight. It's okay if your foam is a little bit off as long as your dowels are nice and straight. We're going to add some silver glitter to the top of our foam piece. That way, when your guests stand up, they're not looking down and seeing the structure of the centerpiece. We're going to repeat that step for our top piece of foam, going ahead and pre-placing those wood dowel indentions, but it's not time to attach to the top. We first need to place our soccer ball and one of our footballs inside of our structure. Now it's time to flip our structure over and attach our foam piece using our hot glue and of course our leveler. Finish off the top of the foam with that same silver glitter. Next, you're going to cut your silver glitter paper into two 4x12 strips, bending it at the curves and attaching it with hot glue. Repeat those steps with two 2x12 pieces and attach them to the top of your centerpiece. It's now time to attach your soccer ball, your football, and your basketball to the top of your centerpiece with your wood skewers. Cutting the skewers anywhere between 4 inches and 6 inches and placing them where you would like them. Finally, paint the stems all black to give the illusion that they are floating in the air. Well, Leisha, how did we do? I hope it came out exactly like you desired. I want to give you guys a couple of extra options. Now, I use each soccer ball, basketball, and football, but just know if your person that you're doing the event for is all about football, then make them all footballs. If your person is all about basketball, do the same there, or soccer, or even baseball. Another option is if they have a particular team they love, you can do the glitter in those team colors as well as the paper, and even attach the player that they love's number to your glitter paper. So you have so many different directions you can go into. Well, I hope we made your dream come true. I hope this is something your client will love. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted, and you can always follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's so simple, and you get a check just for shopping. Head on down to our description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account. Find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It's just that simple. Well guys, our time has come to an end, and with that being said, I want to remind you that all of the links to all of the supplies to our projects are always in the description below the video. Just click on that show more button and you will have everything you need at your fingertips to make the DIY project of your dreams. Don't forget, we are now taking new requests for the 2022 event year. Please get your request in sooner than later. We hate to tell anyone no, but we can only do so many projects a year and our production schedule fills up so fast. As a matter of fact, we're already full through March. So please get those requests in quickly. Go down to the description below or head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com. Find the project request icon, click on it, and follow the very simple instructions. Well, until next time, guys, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on MissPlanIt. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.